welcome to my channel. Now in this video we are going to see about the programs that do basic operations and matrices by using Octave. So first we have seen certain commands in my first video. So now to clear this command window, what command we have to use? That is CLC to clear. So it is cleared, we have seen. Now we can write the program in the editor. So already some program is there, just I'm using the new script. So now the first two commands of CLC to clear the contents, to clear all the contents in the history, to avoid clumsiness while executing the program, we are using these two commands. CLC clear all I have given. Next is what we have to give inputs now. So that input declaration is done with a predefined command called input. So enter A values. Here I can enter the values of A. To display the matrix, this predefined command is used. The matrix A is. So what is the matrix A? Then again I have to use this command without single quotes. If we give the single quotes, whatever is present in the single quote, that is displayed. So if we won't use the single quotes, just the element values are given. Next, similarly, we have to give the matrix B values also. So let me give in the similar manner input matrix B values. So same manner how we have given A, that same you can use the statements with the shortcuts. I'm copying and pasting. Instead of A, what we have to write? B. Instead of A display, what we have to display? B. That's it. Two input declaration is completed now. Next is what I have to give the output variable, that is C. Already arithmetic operation is performed. You can see that one. Now what I am doing is subtraction. So I am giving a variable output variable C and I am performing A minus B. So next I have to display that statement also, no? This subtraction output is. So what I have to display? Disp C. That's it. It is a case sensitive one. Whatever the input declaration is given, we have to use that same values. Here I have given capital Z. If I give here small c, it will display certain error. So next is what subtraction is completed. Now let me give multiplication output, that is E equals to A dot star B. So what is mean by this dot star means it is a point to point multiplication. So how it is done, I'll explain in the output section. Now, so what I have to do, just I'm copying the 10th and 11th line and I'm pasting. Instead of subtraction, what we have to write here? Multiplication. If you want to type, you can type, that is our wish. Next, just I'm displaying E. Next is what I'm using another variable F. So arithmetic operation, addition is done, subtraction is done, multiplication is done. Now the left out one is division. So I'm doing the same division dot slash P. That's it. Next what I have to do is I have to display the statements. So display, what is the output? Division output is diff F. That's it. So the outputs will be declared. Now after the completion of writing the program part, what we have to do is we have to save the file and run. You can use F5 shortcut, function 5 also, or you can click on this symbol. If after clicking on this symbol, it will ask the file name. So what I am doing is arithmetic matrix. So arithmetic, the name is given and I am saving the file. Next, after the execution, I have to go for command window. So it is asking if any error is not present, then it will ask these values. If error is present, it will display. I'll show that one also. So it is asking A values means what? How we have to give these values for matrix also I have explained in my previous video. You can cross check that one. Now, first row I have given, I'm taking a 3 by 3 matrix, that's why first row I have given, second row also I have given, third row also I have given. You can see in the form of matrix. So A is what? It is displaying the matrix A is also it is displaying. Next it is asking matrix B. So B also I am giving random values. It is our choice. So B matrix also I have given. So matrix B is also displayed. You can see the subtraction output is what? Minus 6, 1, minus 7. So for matrix A, for matrix B, operations are performed. You can see 1 minus 7 is what? Minus 6. 6 minus 8 is what? Minus 2. In the similar manner, the output we got. For multiplication also, you can cross check point to point. I have defined, no, that point to point means first row, first element 1, second matrix, first row, first element is 7. 1 into 7 is what? 7. That's it. Next, first row, second element is what? 6. Here it is 8. 6 into 8 is how much? 48. Next, 8, 6. 8 into 6 is what? 48. So, point to point. Point A position matrix, at that same position matrix presented B. The two elements are multiplied and the output is given. Similar manner for division also. 1 divided by 7 is how much? 0.14. Say 6 divided by 8 is what? 0.75. Like that we will get for point to point operations. So this is about the output execution. Now if any error is there, like anything is there, how we will get one? That will also I'll show now. So here I'm removing the semicolon. Here small a let me give. Now so I'm not closing this one also. You can see. Let me execute this one. I'm using the function F5 now. Now let me go to the command window. You can see here the error. First thing is we got the output as the program is correct. Now you see syntax error, phrase error, because that end statement parenthesis I did not close. So now if I close, if I run, what it will display? It is asking for A values as well as B values, because here input these two statements, these four statements are correct, but the error may be at this point. So these four steps will be executed. Next, at fifth line it may get error. Let us check. A values it is asking. Let me give it 2 by 2 matrix. See here the matrix A, because capital A I have declared, but here it is small a is undefined. So it is a case sensitive language. We have to be in proper mode while giving the input declarations. Instead of small a, if I give capital A, then the program is as usual and it will run. That's it. So if any error is there, it will display at what position the error is also. So we can go to that line 5 and we can check where the error is present and how to rectify that one. That's it. Now, if I run this program, it will ask the A values and it will produce the output. We'll see. I'm giving a small 2 by 2 matrix. See here it is displayed now because the capital A only I have given. Similar manner we can do for other operations of matrices. But now, so this is about the basic thing for signals introduction, how operations are performed and all. Next, in my next video, we'll see how the signal is generated and how we can see different various signals generation. Thank you for watching.